Okay, it's time for another van build update. Quite a bit has been done since the last update, so I'll try to catch you up. Some of the big things are we got the new carpet installed in the front. It's all trimmed out. Got the new flooring installed, and the table base is done. All the trim and carpet for the door is done. It's probably better to... The lighting's not very good here, but yeah, trim and carpet's done right here at the entryway. Floor is done all the way through. Table base in the center there. These little black pucks on the floor are it's a single L-track point, and they have these rings that go in there, so you can just pull them out, and you're just left with a pretty low profile little puck there. And these are tied into the steel frame underneath the van, so they can support a lot of weight. I'm sure you notice they're a little bit offset. It's a little bit unfortunate how it looks, but that's what was required to get them to align with the steel cross members underneath. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Let's see if we can find one. So there they are, tied into the steel of the van. So I think they're rated for, it's a lot, like 1,000 pounds, just the ring itself. Other than that, we've got the electrical system all done and working. Most of the wood components are in. The tops to the benches are roughed in right now, and they're hinged like this, so you can access storage underneath. I'm going to build a little storage cubby here in the space that's available above all those wires. And then this one will access the electrics. So that's all done and working. We've got the display panels up for, this is the solar controller, battery monitor, and the inverter remote switch. And then this will just be a little storage area. Still got one more panel to build here, but it's gonna have that AC outlet there, and then some USB chargers. All the wall panels are mostly installed. Got reading lights in the corner, and those also have underneath them a USB charger for your phone. That back panel is going to be the last one to go in, and then I've got a cover that goes over that air conditioner hole. And this is the wall panel on the other side, and the bench. So we've got 2 reading lights on this side too, same thing with USBs. That little access cover is to access the awning bracket to the wall of the van. And then unfortunately I got a little bit of a bad can of glue, and so I got some spotting on my upholstery. I'll eventually probably fix that, but for now I'm just trying to get it working. So yeah, it's coming together. Should be done, or mostly done, here in a couple weeks. Next few things to do will be to build the bridge panels that go across here, and I'll show you how that works. So there's another 1/2 inch piece of trim here of this 80/20, so that sticks out about a 1/2 inch, and that's going to be the ledge that the bridge panels rest on. I still need to put it on this side. Yeah, that's where we're at. Hopefully it'll be finished in the next few weeks.